We like different shades of greens and something that has interest to it all year round. We have some blue fescue, some blue Arctic willows, and some lavenders to kind of have your blues and greens together with some scent from the lavender. And then you have great winter interest in the Arctic blue willows as well. We also have our boxwoods, which is stay green all year round, and bring that kind of contemporary hedge feel to the design.
The theme this year is let's go to the movies. And which movie did you pick?
I chose The Shining. It's pretty funny because we did kind of a zen, kind of peaceful garden, and we have a picture of Jack Nicholson in our water feature to kind of spice things up. All our designs and jobs are in the contemporary kind of fashion, but they're all unique and they all have different design approaches to them. Cleanliness is our main focus here. We like to enjoy our space and not have to work in it, and then always creating like an outdoor living environment. We like to bring kind of the inside outside.